Hi, it's Kevin Lobates here, and in today's checks video I want to talk a bit about some of the invention processes that Richard and I have used while working on the checks software. And in particular today I want to talk about an invention that Richard came up with, and then I managed to provide the final piece to make the system really work. And it solves a very simple problem that some of you may have come across, and that is the fact that you can't change your wallet password. So if you're using a blockchain wallet such as MetaMask, you generate a seed phrase and then you provide a password for your MetaMask wallet, and that password is used to encrypt your seed phrase to protect it on your hard drive, so that if someone manages to hack into your computer, they can't get at your seed phrase because it's encrypted, which is all very well and good. But one of the problems is that MetaMask doesn't store your password. It stores a hash of the password, which is good practice, by the way. And then when you provide your password, it checks that it's correct and it then uses it to decrypt the seed phrase. And that means that you can't change that password. It's a rather unusual setup. If you're using a normal computer system and you have a username and a password, you can change it. For MetaMask, you can't. And that means that if you forget your password, what you have to do is wipe your wallet and then go and fish out your seed phrase, which hopefully is written on acid-free paper stored in a sealed envelope in a vault beneath the ground, and maybe in a second location in case that gets damaged by fire. And that can be a tedious process. Or you're keeping your seed phrase in the top drawer of your desk, which is a very, very bad approach to security, because it means that somebody burgling your house can also get hold of all your crypto. Anyway, what it boils down to is that it's incredibly tedious to re-establish your wallet if you are following good security practices. And it would be nice if you could change your password the way that you can change your Microsoft login password or your Google password or something like that. Now, it turns out that it's quite tricky to be able to build a secure system that allows you to do that when it comes to blockchain wallets. But Richard provided about 70-80% of what was required, but he was failing on the final mile. And then I came along and looked at the work that he was doing and provided the final piece that is needed to provide a secure blockchain wallet, where if you feel, for example, that your wallet password has been compromised, you can change it. And then we wrote up a patent application for it and filed it sometime last year in autumn. And it was really enjoyable because it was one of those problems that has a neat mathematical solution, and that I actually got to really think about deeply before coming up with a way of doing it. And then we worked on a few variants, because you always do that with patents. You try to find other similar ways that you could do it and make sure that those are covered by the patent too. But anyway, there you have it. Inventing, sometimes it's a lone activity, but more often than not it works better if you're working in a team. And I really enjoy working with Richard on these kind of things, to be honest. So there you have it. CHEQs has a patent pending method that allows you to change your blockchain wallet password, something that you will find you cannot do on other wallets out there. I hope you found that interesting, gave you some insight into how we're doing things at CHEQs. Do go and visit the website at cheqs.com, that's CHEQS.com, and sign up for our beta. We're going to be launching the software hopefully very, very soon, and then you can try out a new, more secure and more confidence instilling approach to crypto transactions, particularly for stable coins. So that's today's video. Hope you found it interesting. See you in the next one soon, but bye for now.